Well, when I want to relax, I like to make a delicious smoothie, one that invokes the tropics, where I can just be laying back, sitting, and having that lovely cool drink.
Like a pina colada.
Something that's good for me, something that's going to help me thrive, but something a little bit different. Now, as we know, you can make all you need just with water, 2 tablespoons, and it tastes delicious. But we're just going to upgrade a little bit here. So do you mind helping me, Julia?
Of course not.
So what we've got here is we're going to start with a cup of water, filtered water, and this is a cup of coconut milk.
That's out of a carton, not a tin.
There we go, and that's the
all you need.
There we go.
2 spoons going in.
2 spoons. So some that's like a
coconut ice cream.
A couple of there we go. Couple of tablespoons, I suppose. That's all it is, just a bit. Then we've got some pineapple. Now we've not cut the middle bit out. Got a lot of goodness in there, and the Vitamix will blend it. What else we got, Juliette?
So we've got some mango here.
Oh, how could you get more tropical than mango?
Oh, we've lost a bit of kale. This is kale from our garden.
Nothing tropical about kale from our garden, but we want some fresh greens. As you know, all you need contains super greens, but we're going to put some fresh greens in.
It's nice to have fresh food as well whenever you can.
So,
it really increases your body's ability to thrive.
I'll put that down on the floor. There we go. So make sure the lid is on. All right.
Sometimes these lids can be a little bit funny.
There we go. Watch out. There we go.
Okay, we're on.
Right. Okay,
ready?
Warp speed, yep.
You don't want it on warp speed yet.
Yeah, warp speed.
And we're ready.
There we go, right. We'll lift that off. Now we have got, oh my word, the taste of the tropics. We used to live in the tropics and they didn't serve a smoothie like this. They did good smoothies. Oh wow, but it wasn't an all you need smoothie. All you need tropical smoothie. So rest, rejuvenation, recovery. You need good food. You need to chill out. Oh,
that's good.
I could be on a desert island in paradise. You close your eyes, make it happen. Get those nutrients in you.